segment on what we bought yesterday. We got these shirts. Well, this is all Gabe stuff.
It's like buy one,
get one free. Yeah, wow. So he wanted, there's like a red one with like, the Vans was like in dark gray writing, but they didn't have his size, so.
That's sad. That's a nice color.
Yeah. Well, he has a lot of red already, so it's okay. And then these shoes, he bought OTW. I found all of them. Look how nice these are.
It's like a leather kind of thing.
Yeah, they're really nice. And then the other one, these ones are nice. He was saying he wanted like one that he can skate in and then one that he doesn't skate in. So he's like to ruin them or whatever.
So next.
Oh, she can hold it up.
Jade bought
this cute black top.
Like, and there's like lace in the front.
Yeah, it's so nice. Look how much. $11.
11. What the? Huh. If you get this in Canada, it's like $24.
I know. I know. I was walking around the mall yesterday. I'm like, oh my god, in Canada this would be like $40.
Okay, next is these shorts. They're really nice. It has like
a lace trim at the bottom. Cute.
And the prettiest one of them all is this one.
Romper.
It's a romper. It's like tribal print.
Yeah, it's so cute.
And yeah, these are all from
Forever 21.
Forever 21. And then all Gabe stuff are from
Vans. And I bought this thing yesterday, but I'm wearing it because it's so hot.
So we just purchased some Reese's peanut butter cup flavored creme Oreos.
What? Creme. Oh, creme.
Limited edition.
Do a roll call first. Who's who?
So Denise, Gwen, and Danielle.
Danielle,
whoever else, and
Corn over there. Kim over there playing some our vlog. Ariel over there.
Oh, why is it? Oh, I thought there was a missing one. Look, when I opened it.
Oh yeah.
There was a missing one.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Go for it.
Okay, ready? 3, 2.
Danielle eats the icing first. Is it good?
Hey, it tastes like the Reese's Puffs. Come here.
It tastes more like Reese's Puffs.
What's Reese's Puffs?
Cereal.
Reese's Puffs cereal.
Oh yeah, can I have one? Oh, that's good. Duke. Gabe.
Duke.
Babe.
Gotti.
Oh, finally. After 5 times. Plus 10. Come here. I'm vlogging.
Hello.
So, tell the peeps what's up.
We're just here at a Kyle's house. We are going to have a birthday dinner for Mommy Deuce. And then have some
4th of July fireworks.
4th of July fireworks.
I'm leaving for Cali tomorrow
So you guys get to see
at like 6 a.m.
San Fran tomorrow. Disneyland. Time to eat! Everybody's here. We got lots of food. Say! Happy birthday, Mommy! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Are you one?
Are you 2? Are you 30? Are you 40? Are you 50? Are you 60? Are you 70?
Hey! Yep.
What are you having? Is it good? I'm having some Filipino style spaghetti. Love it. Got the hot dog in there, got my cheese. Hi, Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Fourth of July. Whoa! Oh, look! Whoa!
Where did they catch
So it started raining while we were doing the fireworks. So everybody's just inside. Everybody's just waiting for the rain to go away.
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
It's pouring out there. It's like pouring, and we're in like this. Hopefully it gets nice so we can finish off the fireworks because we
There,
saving the big
Danielle.
ones for
She wants
last.
to be seen.
Babe. Okay.